Hi, I'm Jeffrey Meldon. I'm often asked, what should I do after an accident with regard to the insurance adjusters? The first thing to remember is there may be as many as 3, 4, or 5 insurance adjusters that may be contacting you. The first adjuster will probably be the property damage adjuster, who will want to know where your car is located so they can do an estimate on the repairs or the value of the car. The property adjuster can be from the other person's insurance company, or it could be your own insurance company if you have comprehensive and collision on your car. The second adjuster that may be contacting you may be the PIP adjuster, who deals with medical bills. 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000, if you have a serious medical condition, will be paid by your own auto insurance company. If you have other kinds of medical insurance, they become the secondary or supplemental insurance. So we want to make sure that your insurance company is notified of the accident and that you fill out the forms necessary to get your personal injury protection benefits. The third adjuster that may be calling you has to do with injuries that you've suffered and what you can be compensated for above and beyond getting medical bills paid. That's called the bodily injury liability adjuster. Now, when the other person's liability insurance adjuster calls you, you need to be very careful. That adjuster is trained, and one of the things they train them to do is to lock you into what kind of injuries you have on the day that they talk with you. So if they contact you the day of the accident or the day after the accident, you may have a broken arm, but you may also have a serious injury to your neck, your back, your shoulder, your knee that is not as painful as the broken arm that you suffered. In the interview, they may ask to pin you down as to what's hurting. And the reason they do that is later on in the event of a trial, you can be shown to have made up subsequent injury as a result of the accident because of this interview that took place on day 1 or day 2 after the crash. So my advice is don't talk with the personal injury, bodily injury liability adjuster for the other insurance company until you've had a chance to talk with your attorney and make a decision on how much information you want to give them and when you should give them that information. Now, if you have your own insurance adjuster calling you, you should share certain information with them, but again, it should be based on your contract with the adjuster and with that insurance company, and it is always good to get the advice of an attorney to decide how much information to give and when to give it so that it's an accurate portrayal of what the chronology is of your injuries and what's hurting at the time of any interview given. My name is Jeffrey Meldon. I hope this talk has been helpful and explained to you a little bit about what to do in the event of an accident. I can be reached toll-free at 1-800-373-8000 or go to meldonlaw.com. We have a wonderful website with lots of good information that should help you on your road to recovery and also let you know what to do and what mistakes to avoid. Thank you.